नोट कर लीजिए. So Stirling engine consists of two types of cylinder. The expansion cylinder maintained at high temperature TH and
सर ये क्या लिख रहा है? स्टर्लिंग इंजन से गए.
consist consists of two types of cylinder. The expansion cylinder maintained at high temperature TH and compression cylinder maintained at lower temperature TC. The passage between the hot cylinder and cold cylinder contains regenerator. The combustion of fuel take place outside the gas, यानी कि working fluid. Hence, Stirling engine is external combustion engine. Now, when the working substance या fluid absorbs QH heat energy from the source, the gas expands and transfer all heat QH as work. The piston compresses the cold cylinder and transfer heat QC to the gas. Thus, the net amount of mechanical work done by Stirling engine is QH minus QC, and its thermal efficiency is QH minus QC upon QH. After this, the two cylinders return to their original position and cycle is repeated. The purpose of the regenerator is that it acts as thermal store to make cylinders return to their original position.